got this going on again. Just said generator building, heat detector invalid reply. I've got the fuse unplugged for the generator's utility voltage reference because I'm just doing my Wednesday generator test. Do it every Wednesday. So the generator is running, and that trouble just popped up again, which you guys may remember a while back. I had a problem with that detector causing invalid replies, and it seemed to be an issue with just when it was cold. But yeah, it's back. Well, it was back. We'll see what happens with that.